Hello friends, how are you? How are you doing? Hello everyone. My identity is I am Santosh Kumar Barik. I am of 38 years young. I have been helping and motivating people to achieve successful life and growing their income by business and job from last 15 years. I have got a beautiful, caring wife, supportive parents, and lovable family. I have been awarded many times as a wonderful son and an amazing father. My mission is to help 10 million of people to achieve their dream income and lifestyle before 2025. So this is all about my introduction, and today we are going to continue with the VSI model, and let's start the VSI model. Let's start with the VSI model. Sorry. Start with the VSI model. This is a VSI model. Let's start with the session layer because we have already covered till the transport layer in the last video, and today we are going to talk about session layer. Layer 5 of VSI session layer. What is session layer? Session layer is nothing but it establishes sessions between applications. Sessions between applications. As I have given example, suppose you started your journey from here to your suppose friend's house. You today is a Sunday and you want to visit to your friend's house and you want to move to the friend's house. And when you are moving to when you plan to move to your friend's house, you will move to your friend's house at 10 o'clock and came back at 4 o'clock. And you will choose this route to move to your friend's home and that route to your home. So you mentally created a session for that time period. Likewise, computer or applications are making, sessions between the applications. Suppose a session starts at 4 a.m. or p.m. and that session layer is also responsible if the session is idle for sometimes it breaks the session. If the fluctuation of network or something is that, then breaks the session. So session, you can take a better example like if you log into your Gmail ID, and you must see if you are idle for 1 hour, 2 hour, or something like that. The Gmail ID it will ask again your username and password. So that session closed there. If the session is not live. Likewise, the things are happening likewise. Sensitive sites has less session timing. Like if you go to a bank's website, then your session is your session is ideal for few minutes, then the session will be closed. So session is nothing but it creates session between applications. One application wants another application, and it just made a thread between that logical thread. That is session layer. Again, it takes data from the transport layer and give data to the presentation layer. Next layer is a presentation layer, and it is layer 6 of OSI reference model. So presentation layer is nothing but, it is a translating layer. It translates the application layer's data to the machine readable format. and the machine readable format to the human readable format. You know, ASCII codes are there, okay. And some encryption, decryption things are there in the presentation layer. Wheat order, these are the data comes to the machine format to the user readable format. When I'm sending a mail to my friend, it converts my mail to machine readable format. When the reply came from my friend, it the machine format data converts to the human readable format so that I can see the email and can respond on. So this is about compression, decompression also happening here in the presentation layer. So presentation layer is more often a translate layer. Translation layer. Then comes to the application layer. Application layer is nothing but it is a window where you are using the applications like email application, file transfer application, DNS services. You are typing something HTTPS, this kind of things you are asking, like you are going to the website, some of the websites, and also you are sending mails to somebody. You're these kind of things are you are assessing. You are drafting a letter in the Word file. This is the application. These are the things which are connecting in application layers. These are the applications. Using the applications, what human is doing, what we are doing through the applications. This is application layer. So this is all about the 7 layer of OSI. Hope the sessions are interesting, and hopefully this will help you. These things will help you to know more, and you will learn many more things. Um, Thank you very much for watching, and it is a great journey with OSI model, obviously. OSI model, reference model. So you people need to, take revision of these 7 layers and repeat these seven layers one by one. These are very, interesting things, interesting kind of thing. Thank you very much for watching. And this is it about the OSI model and the courses. Thank you very much for watching this.